Are you wondering how we are going to make the bread in a ziploc? It's true, you are not going to touch the dough with your hands. So let's start. Take a ziploc like this or any plastic cover and now add 3 cups of maida, then add 2 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using instant yeast. Then add 3 tablespoons sugar. I'm here using salted butter, so not adding extra salt in the dough. Now mix everything together and then add 1 egg. Next you have to add 1/4 cup of butter. If you are using unsalted butter, then add extra 1 teaspoon salt. Next add 1 cup warm milk, or you can use water. And close the ziploc or the cover and mix everything like this. You have to just mash or twist and turn whatever you want you can do, because your hands are not getting dirty and it is a very easy method. Usually I'll give this back to my son and he will do all these works. It will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes and the dough will be like this. I'm just rubbing and smashing for another like 1 minute and it will be all ready to go. See, the dough is mixed very well and it is looking so soft. And see my hands, it's very clean. I'm very lazy to do the bread in the normal way, so I always prefer to do this. And I'm keeping this for 1.5 hours to rise the dough. Or you can keep it in the fridge the previous night, and morning you can keep it outside for rising. Next we are going to make the garlic butter. First add 1/4 cup of salted butter in a bowl. Then add 2 to 3 spoons of chopped coriander leaves. Then 3 to 4 spoons of chopped garlic and mix everything together. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon Italian spice powder. This is optional. Mix everything and keep it aside. If you like my videos and recipes, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification every time. See, our dough is rised beautifully. You can able to make 2 garlic bread out of this. I have taken a 10-inch into 6-inch pan. You can take a bigger pan also. Just butter the pan and you can turn the ziploc and add the dough to it. Here also you don't have to touch the dough with your hands, you can just push it down with your spatula. Now spread the dough with your spatula. If it is sticky, then add butter on top and then spread it. You can bake like this or you can add the garlic butter which we prepared before. Just spread it evenly. Then make cuts like this with the spatula so that it will be very easy to pull it out once it is baked. Now this is ready and we have to add the mozzarella cheese or any cheese available inside those lines. This is also optional, but this will add an extra taste. See, our garlic bread is getting ready, and the next step is we are keeping it for another 30 minutes for the second rise. See, it's almost double in size and now we can bake it. Now bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degree. See, the cheese is oozing out. It's looking so yum, right? Just try at home. The bread is so soft and it's very flavorful. And I bet this is the easiest method to make a bread. And thank you so much for watching my videos.